New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Innovative Edge Tech YouTube channel. And today I'm actually going to unbox another item which is actually a very good item, and it's especially for your cars and your four-wheelers. So let's get started and see what's inside this box. And it's available in India but at a very higher price. It's double the price which is available in India. Obviously links will be in the description, but let me tell you, my friends, about this device, what it does and what it's all about. So let's get started. So when we talk about this device, I will tell you, my friends, you have a car and or a four-wheeler and you drive it daily. You put a lot of money into your insurance, and you have to claim your insurance, and then you fight for your insurance if there isn't some accident or something like that. It's your mistake or it's mistake of someone else. It cannot be justified. So all of you out there who are watching this video, this is the one step solution for your insurance claims wherever you are driving. It's your four-wheeler, car, jeep, SUV or whatever it is, but this is the device which will help you out for claiming that. Another thing is, for a new driver, it's a good device because it can explain a lot of things about driving skills. It has some features inbuilt. I will tell you about that in the later part of the video. This video is going to be a long one, so without wasting time, let me tell you and reveal it. What is this device? So this device is basically a streaming media and smart rear view mirror. So that is what we call as IVRM, internal rear view mirror. So IVRM is the rear view mirror which is actually will guide you if something is coming from backside or not, and it will actually help you in driving. So we don't replace that mirror, we put this mirror on that. So basically it's a streaming media, smart rear view mirror, and trust me my friends, it's Android based. Yeah, you heard it correctly, it's an Android based. So let's unbox it and see what is this device and what does it do. We'll take out this packet, okay, and now you can see the rear view mirror is there. It's an IVRM. So let's keep this device aside. And let's see what's inside the box. So when you will open the box, you will see the IVRM. Obviously the IVRM is the first device. Then you will have the band straps. These band straps will actually hook and put your smart rear view mirror on top of the IVRM, your original IVRM, which is a glass. Okay. So these are the two straps. This is the charging unit. It's normal car charger, and it's a 5 volt 3 ampere charger. If you put another charger, it won't work. And it has a mini USB socket. So let's keep this aside. Then you have the most important thing. It has the back camera, and this is very good back camera. It's a full HD camera. Okay. Then you have a GPS unit. Yeah, it does support GPS unit, and back camera is there, and back camera's screws and tape is there. So what it does, it will actually guide you for parking as well. So I'll tell you about the features. So first is Android. It is an Android based smart view mirror. So you can install your Android apps on top of Google Play. Google Play Store is already there. Then second thing is you can see location. So maps are already installed there. Google Maps are installed there. Since it's a GPS, so it will guide you for the maps. And the third thing is it has ADAS inbuilt, which is actually advanced driver assistance system, and it will actually give you the lane, the distance of the car which are moving around. And then it's a dash cam. Yes, you heard it correctly, it's a dash cam. It will record from this front camera and the rear camera which is shipped in this simultaneously, and yes, it will actually record the things on the memory card. And it does have a SIM card as well. Yes, you heard it correctly, it does have a SIM card. It's actually a 4G enabled ADAS smart rear view mirror with Android. Yes, that's the entire feature. So this is the GPS port, this is the SIM card tray. I put a SIM card. This is the micro SD card port. You can put an external micro SD card. Internal it is 16 GB and 1 GB is the RAM. 16 GB is the internal memory. This is the back camera port. You can put the back camera port. It's a audio video, mini audio video port. This is the USB charging unit, and it does have an internal battery, but the backup is very less. It's around 5 minutes. Okay, so that's pretty good mirror, and I'll tell you about the cost now. So in India it is actually selling for around 17k, around neck to neck kind of 16 to 17k. You can see the back camera. Okay, I'll go to the home and I will tell you about this. This is the navigation, this is the DVR, dash cam, front and back both. This is the music. Yes, you can make calls to the Bluetooth support is already there. You can merge your contacts, phone, music, and manage. Okay, so that you can do. Okay, then Wi-Fi, point Wi-Fi is already there. You can make it as a Wi-Fi device. Then inbuilt FM is there. So it is an FM transmitter, it's not an FM receiver. It's an FM transmitter. You can transmit FM in your car and you can use it for connecting to your car audio. Has a video option as well. Then settings, file and app list. And here goes the magic. You have Google Play Store here, so you can install everything here. YouTube plays on this. I can show you something on YouTube. Here it will tell you battery percent, if FM is connected, kilometers per hour, timing and date. This is the home button, this is the back button, this is the back camera view, the settings, and this is the record options. So as you can see, the YouTube is there. I won't play anything here as of now. Okay, so Play Store is there. It means you can install a lot of applications. Yes, but I'll tell you, it will support everything, but not the open apps which will actually use for higher memory or games and all. So you can browse internet, you can do Spotify, you can listen to music from Spotify, you can view videos, you can view maps, you can view YouTube. Okay, and the best setting is you can actually play music as well. Now I'll tell you the another feature of this. It also has parking monitor. Yes, you heard it correctly. It also has parking monitor, and it has a feature which will actually guide you for the maps. So it will actually give you the track history, where you went, where you came, where you drove and everything. So with this device you can record video while you are driving as a dash cam from front and back. Second, you can track your car where it is located from the GPS. Third, you can do the navigation, maps and all. You can listen to music, you can make calls from this, you can watch YouTube, you can watch video, you can watch a video from YouTube as well, and from other apps if you want. Then the third thing is this, the important thing is car keepers. So this will actually help you out for real-time locations and track playback where you went and everything, and it works in a very decent way. It will give you live footage of your car dash cam. It will give you the live footage of front and back. It will give you the live photograph of the front end cam. You can record it remotely through your smartphone. It has an app known as Car Keepers. It will work with that, and moreover the navigations and the Bluetooth functions are very important, because you don't have to spare your mobile and use it. Now comes your insurance part. When you have started your car with this device, it will automatically sense the motion detection. Yeah, it is inbuilt with the motion detection, and it will actually start the recording. Once the recording is started, it will actually give the important informations, and it will record the videos on the internal memory or the SD card, wherever you want. Okay, so In the instance some accidents happen or something happened, it will have the recording of the driving on the SD card, and which will help you to claim your insurance, saying that it was not your fault or it was your fault or whatever it is. Okay, so this is very good device, my friends, and it's actually helpful for your car. It's the best device which is available in market, and it's a Bluetooth based device, which means you can put all your apps here which are using less memory, because it's having 1 GB. So this device is actually very good, and it can help you in lot way. See, I will show you how. I will try to record one video here. Okay, I'll go to the DVR. So this is the DVR mode, and when I click on this, it starts recording. Okay, right now I have not put the SD card, so it's not recording, and then you can log the recording. And when you click on the rear view, it will actually come with the rear view. Right now rear view is not inserted, so it will show not inserted. So it's a very interesting device, my friends. You can see 4G and tower is there. Jio SIM I have put in this, and it is also having the Wi-Fi connectivity. So I have connected with my internal Wi-Fi router. Yes, it's Wi-Fi support also. So this is all about this device, my friends. If you want to purchase this, links will be in the descriptions. But the very important thing about this device is, please do not install lot of apps or games or that sort of things, because it will hang the device and it will not easily go. Okay, so that's all, my friend, for this video. This is an amazing device which I will be putting into my car, and I will be sharing you the videos for my driving skills which I have because I love driving. So let's get into the second part of the video and watch the installation part and the entire experience part with this device. I've already made calls with the Bluetooth and run music and everything. It all works seamlessly without any issues. This is the main screen, and this is the side screen. It's basically 10.10. It's basically 10 inch. That is 9.86 around. Okay, that's diagonal. Okay, thank you, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel and keep sharing and liking our videos. Thanks. So guys, he is putting up the camera. As you can see, the back camera is installed here, and you can see this is the HD back camera. This is the HD back camera, and he has connected on this wire over the light, and then finally it is connected. This is the GPRS signal, and this is the wiring for GPRS. This is the power unit. The entire vehicle is opened as of now. Let's see after the connection how it works.